this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And guys, today, first let me say happy fall. Yay! It is officially fall. Today is the first day of fall. Even though we're still in the very high 90s, at least we have kind of come down a little bit from the triple digits. So again, happy fall to all of you guys. I'm so super excited for the cooler weather, for the upcoming season and everything. So today I am going to be participating in a collaboration which is hosted by my girl Wani at Wani's house. You guys know Wani and I are great friends. We're a part of a group of ladies called the Dream Team. And so Wani is hosting her Replicate My Space for Fall collaboration. So in this collab, she asked that we find some inspiration from a magazine or Pinterest, Instagram, however, of a space or an area that you can replicate in your home. So it can be inspired by, or if you want to try to do identical, like my look for less, then you could do that also. So I thought, oh, this is going to be so much fun. So I definitely wanted to participate. So you guys all know Wani, but if you do not, be sure to check my description box down below for the link to her channel. Make sure you go over and tell her hello, send her some love from me over here. And also be sure to check the playlist of all of the participants. I promise guys, you will not be disappointed. Also, if you're new here from Wani's house, thank you, welcome so much for coming over, and we'll go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay guys, so here are all of my pumpkins that I like to use out in my front yard. And I have a couple of pillows here and of course my welcome mat. So now I'll show you guys what our front yard look like right now without any fall decor out. So I was searching around on Pinterest for some inspiration and I found this wreath and I thought this was so pretty. I wanted to use orange and blue for outside this year, which I've never done before. And so I thought this was going to be the perfect inspiration for a wreath for my front porch. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to try to recreate this look, but in my own way. So I ran out to the Dollar Tree and picked up a few items, as you can see here, to recreate that wreath. And also they had that amazing happy fall sign for $5 at the Dollar Tree. So, you know, I had to grab that because it's going to go perfectly with the color scheme that I'm wanting to create. So they had all of the velvet pumpkins, the little ones, the bigger ones, just everything that I needed, along with the wreath hanger as well. So I thought this is going to be fantastic. So I did pick up a few extra items as well, like this table runner that I'll be using to create pillows for the front porch. I'll show you guys how I'll do that. And of course I picked up some florals just because I wanted to make sure I had the right colors that I wanted. And they had everything that I needed there, so I was so excited to find everything at the Dollar Tree, including these beautiful ribbons. These were so perfect for this wreath, so you know I grabbed up a couple in each pattern to ensure that I have enough to create the perfect bow. I also pulled out this grapevine wreath that already has these yellow flowers on it. You guys have seen me use this wreath many times, and of course I'll be using it this time to create my fall wreath. So we have all the items. Let's go ahead and get started. So now I decided that I wanted to add some maple leaves to this fall sign. So I did pick these leaves up at the Dollar Tree also. I love that they are like sparkly, so they really add, you know, some extra little pizzazz to this sign. So I'm just hot gluing them on the sign just in random places, and also I'm going to cover up the maple leaves that's on there with the sparkly ones. So it'll just add a little extra pizzazz to the porch. Now it's time to make the pillows for the chairs on the porch. So I'm using this table runner that I did get from the Dollar Tree for $5. And I really like that it has the same pattern on either end, and the center part is just plain. So it's going to be perfect for this project. So I'm just gonna cut the runner in half and then hot glue along the sides. I'm gonna use these two pillows that you see there. I'm going to use the stuffing from those pillows to stuff this one that we'll be making, and it's going to be super easy and super cute. Then we will hot glue the end together so that it'll all stay in place, and there you have it, a really cute little pillow for $2.50. So here's a final look at the front porch, and I think it came together so cute. I think it looks adorable. I absolutely love the pillows on our chairs. I did use those orange pillows that I already had like in my garage. So those are from previous years. And I just think the blue and the orange really pops on our front porch. And I absolutely love it. I think it is adorable. And of course I have my snake plants there, which are growing so large. I may have to move them to the back porch eventually. But the wreath is absolutely gorgeous. And the hanger that came from the Dollar Tree was perfect as well. So let me know if you guys think that my wreath looks similar to the inspiration. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it does help when you leave comments. So be sure to leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about my front porch and front yard decor. You guys know every year for fall, I put out my large pumpkins that I did get from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and each year I usually buy one or two more just to add to my collection. Although this year I did not buy any, and I'm not planning to. I think I have enough at this point. So be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know if you're decorating your front porch or your front yard for fall this year. Also, I hope that you were inspired here today. If you weren't thinking about decorating your front porch or your front yard, I hope you were inspired to do so. Okay guys, so let me say again, thank you so much to Wani for hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun, and I hope that you guys did as well. Be sure to check Wani's channel in the description box down below. I will have a link to her channel there. And also be sure to check the playlist. Alrighty guys, again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.